Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine in your final year MBBS. First, understand your exam format and the weightage of each subject. This helps you focus your efforts effectively. Next, prioritize high-yield topics and common clinical scenarios you'll encounter. Finally, create a realistic study schedule, ensuring you allocate dedicated time for revision and practice. This structured approach is key to success. To study effectively, integrate your clinical practice with theoretical knowledge every day. This helps solidify your understanding and application. Actively use question banks and past papers. They are invaluable for testing your recall and identifying weak areas. Consider forming study groups to discuss complex cases and concepts with peers. Explaining topics to others can significantly deepen your own comprehension. Mastering clinical skills is crucial. Practice history-taking and physical examinations regularly on patients, focusing on thoroughness and efficiency. Observe and actively assist in various procedures to gain valuable practical experience. Don't hesitate to seek constructive feedback from your seniors and consultants on your performance. Their insights are incredibly valuable for refining your approach and improving your clinical acumen. As you approach exams, consolidate all subjects with multiple rounds of revision, focusing on your weaker areas. Remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including adequate sleep and nutrition, to prevent burnout and manage stress effectively. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.